My name's Stephen Coulson and I'm the Chief Technical Officer of P2i. The title of our company, P2i, stands for Perform, Protect and Improve, which are the three key features of our technology. And we've set ourselves up as the world leader in liquid repellent nanocoating technology, which is part aspirational, but also talks to the number of customers we have today who've adopted our technology over incumbent ways of making their product liquid repellent. One of our key customers today is Hi-Tech, who launched our branded technology for lifestyle goods, Iron Mask, onto a range of their footwear, and they now have a website that's adapted to this. The background to our company, P2i, is actually a spin-out from the UK Ministry of Defence and was set up at the end of January 2004 to commercially exploit a technology that was originally developed to improve the protection of soldiers' garments to both environmental threats, so to resist the uptake of water, but also to protect the soldier from chemical attack, so nerve agents and mustard. In the early stage of the company, we carried out a lot of sample processing and looking at lots of different materials in numerous different market sectors to understand really where the main added value of our technology could be applied. And today we have a focused leadership team where we're concentrating on 5 particular key market sectors, and we've grown our patent portfolio up to 57 patent families now, and we have over 100 employees based over North America, Europe and Asia. So just looking more into the technology of what we've developed, I mean the key thing from a military perspective was to be able to take a fully constructed military garment and protect it from liquid attack. And so the need here was to be able to provide the technology to not just the fabric in a garment, but also the seals, the zips, the fasteners and everything that really comprises a suit. So what is the technology? Well, the best way to describe the technology is with a demonstration. So I have a normal paper tissue, and I also have a paper tissue which has been coated with P2i's nanocoating technology. First of all, as I unwrap them, the key thing to note is that they look identical. They have the same airflow properties, the same drape qualities. The only difference being, as I introduce the untreated tissue into a glass of water, as you can see, it absorbs the water very quickly. It starts to become heavier, as you can see the water wicking up the tissue, and then eventually it will become a sodden mess. If I take the same tissue that we've coated with our nanocoating technology and introduce it to water, as you can see, as I just dip the corner into it, it doesn't actually absorb the water, and as I push the tissue right into the water, and I promise here I'm no sleight of hand magician, as I take the tissue out, then you can see it's completely dry, so it's not absorbed any of the water, and it still retains the integrity of the tissue itself. So the thickness of this polymer coating we've attached to the tissue is of the order of 1,000th the thickness of a human hair. So we're talking 20 to 40 nanometers in thickness, and there's no change to the look or feel, and as mentioned earlier, it will attach to any material. So I've got a process video now that I'll just quickly run through. So first of all, you see the drops of water hitting the shoe and absorbing into it, which is an untreated shoe. And then what you then do is take those pairs of shoes, load it up into the plasma chamber, evacuate to low pressure, and then carry out a pre-treatment which activates the surface of the shoes. Then we can introduce our monomer under our particular deposition process, which will then provide the iron mask effect to the shoes, so now water droplets simply bead up and roll off. Now this is fully commercial, and we have a number of systems now in southern China, and we're just setting up our next facility with over 30 systems in there, which will be able to give us production in excess of 30-40,000 pairs of shoes per day. So this is operating 24/7 with the key brands that we deal with today. We have over 80 machines now dotted around the world, and this covers North America, South America, Europe, Asia and Australia, and so very much worldwide. Our headquarters is in the UK at Milton Park in Oxfordshire, and we have processing centres in North America, in Beaverton, Oregon and Savannah, Georgia, and then also in southern China and Jakarta. In addition to lifestyle, which I've talked mainly about today, we also have some key other market sectors. Electronics, where we process product like hearing aids and mobile phones. We're currently on about 70% of the world's produced hearing aids, and with one particular customer for mobile phones, we've within a month of processing with them, we've now cleared 650,000 handsets. So we're demonstrating that this technology can be used in the fast consumer goods area. The other market sectors, life sciences, energy and filtration, military and institutional, we've all got key validated customers in those areas and growing the business across all 5 sectors.